So what do I think about Quai versus Bitcoin or Solana or Ethereum? Look, I love Bitcoin. I honestly do not know how you could be in the crypto space and not love Bitcoin. I mean, it created everything here. Well, obviously led off of 60 years worth of cryptography research and Hashcash and Wei Dai and Nick Szabo and Adam Back and all these luminaries. It built this system and for the first time created scarcity property value on chain, a bearer instrument on chain. I don't know how you can be in crypto and not love Bitcoin. It is the granddaddy of them all, like the Rose Bowl, and is by far the 500-pound gorilla in the room. Just look at the market caps. So it's amazing. I also love Ethereum and Solana. It's amazing. I mean, I spend my nights watching TV, sports, and transacting on Ethereum and Solana. It's great. They're building incredible new financial primitives, but more so it's great entertainment, I'll be honest with you. But I love Quai because it kind of does a little bit of both and then some. So it brings on the scarcity value, the digital property rights of Bitcoin, the security assurances and guarantees of Bitcoin. It adds new scalability and functionality of Ethereum and Solana, and then it brings to the table something else. A new native, non-intermediate stablecoin connected to the cost of energy, which energy and compute are, in my opinion, the reserve assets of the 21st century. And then also creates a hash marketplace for the compute economy. So you can convert GPUs, which I believe are going to become increasingly ubiquitous in the 21st century, into money via transaction mining or otherwise. And so all these things have their place within the system. They're all incredible. You don't have to choose. It's like asking, are you a cat or a dog person? If you have a strong opinion on that, you're an insane person. I like cats and dogs. You don't have to pick.